Hi, this is Amla Reddy, Executive Editor of Commercial Integrator, and I'm delighted to be joined by Joey Palkowitch from AtlasIED as part of our InfoComm 2026 Spotlight featured on our website for the months of May and June. Welcome, Joey. So nice to have you here.
Thank you, Amala. Great to be here.
Yes, so to begin with, can you talk a little bit about your title and role at AtlasIED?
Absolutely. So I serve as the Director of Commercial Audio Sales at AtlasIED, where I lead the commercial audio segment of the business. My responsibilities span the full portfolio, so including amplifiers, DSP, loudspeakers, and sound masking solutions. I work closely with the AtlasIED sales team and integrators across a wide variety of vertical markets, helping integrators design and deploy audio solutions tailored to their specific needs. In addition to driving sales, I'm actively involved in shaping the product and go-to-market strategy across each of the categories, ensuring our offerings align with evolving customer requirements and industry trends.
That sounds like a big portfolio you've got to handle. And I know AtlasIED always has a great presence at InfoComm. So can you give a background on what AtlasIED is bringing to InfoComm this year?
Yes, and I'll start out with a very brief history as we've launched so many products recently, if that's okay. So since 2020, our focus has been to develop solutions that continue to evolve and provide relevant growth opportunities for our integrator partners. We've had multiple product launches in 2026 alone for both commercial audio-focused products, as well as our next generation IP endpoint platform called AIX. This year at InfoComm, AtlasIED's continued focus plays out with the expansion of both our award-winning Atmosphere digital audio platform, as well as our premium Atlas+Fyne pendant loudspeakers. Our new Atmosphere AZP smart amplifier series will be available in 4 and 8 channel models with 150 watt or 300 watt per channel offerings in a compact 1RU form factor. Additionally, AZP amplifiers are fully configurable through the web UI and the Atmosphere cloud and feature onboard DSP, including EQ, crossovers, limiters, flexible I/O matrix routing, selectable high Z and low Z per channel, as well as PowerShare technology. The PowerShare technology is really cool because it can be configured through our software in 5-watt increments, creating flexibility across zones for more creative design options. And the amplifiers also have dual design ports. So those provide flexible deployment options for control, monitoring, Dante audio, of course, while streaming system integration and configuration. And the AZP amps also includes full sound masking capabilities with onboard signal generation, scheduling, a built-in message player that also further enhances system functionality for paging and announcements. So this launch takes the already proven Atmosphere platform to a new level of performance in the commercial audio industry across a variety of vertical markets, including hospitality, corporate, education, house of worship, healthcare, and retail, to name a few.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Like I like how you really stressed on the flexibility of the solutions and seeing how flexible they are in the different vertical markets. I know you mentioned the Atlas+Fyne loudspeakers. So can you talk a little bit about the features of the new Atlas+Fyne series pendant loudspeakers?
Absolutely, I'd love to. So yeah, the new Atlas+Fyne IsoFlare FP series, as we're calling them, the pendant loudspeakers are designed for high and open ceiling environments. The new pendants deliver superior design forward performance that really seamlessly integrates into modern architectural spaces. With the latest addition, venues with varying loudspeaker demands, whether it's ceiling or surface mount or pendant, benefit now from the complete Atlas+Fyne lineup, delivering uniform point source performance and consistent voicing across all those spaces. The FP series also feature low insertion loss transformers suitable for 70 volt and 100 volt applications, and their durable construction includes a weather resistant IP44 rated enclosure, The range also includes 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch models, along with a separate 8-inch model with narrow dispersion. So, think specifically for higher ceilings, and an 8-inch subwoofer model for extended low frequency performance. And I'll mention all models will also be available in white or black.
That's awesome. I know you've given a whole rundown of what all is going to be at InfoComm this year, but I know there's also always more with AtlasIED. So what else can integrators look forward to, especially with the other products and partnerships?
That's a great question. I would say a couple different products and topics come to mind there. So number one is earlier this year, AtlasIED launched a new series called the DMA and LMA series, which is designed for venues only needing 1 to 2 audio zones. The DMA series comprises of 3 models of single channel mixer amplifiers with power levels of 100 watt, 200 watt, and 400 watt. And they're half rack amplifiers, and they can be configured to operate 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 8 ohm loads, as well as 25 volt, 70 volt, and in 100 volt systems. All models share the same features and utilize standard accessories, including various wall controllers. And additionally, the DMA series can expand from a single zone to a 2-zone system by linking the DMA amplifier to an LMA amplifier, including basic configuration, which can be handled through the DMA BLE app, which is available for both Android and iOS. And then secondly, I mentioned the Atlas+Fyne series a little while ago. And so I'm also excited to announce that we've been hard at work expanding the Atlas+Fyne FC and FS series, so the ceiling and surface mount speakers, with Dante-enabled PoE++ versions, which is actually now shipping. The loudspeakers deliver full bandwidth and high output performance by combining the efficiency of PoE++ Type 4 with the acoustic precision of IsoFlare point source transducer technology. So we can deliver up to 90 watts per loudspeaker, unlocking the loudspeaker's full performance potential through a single network cable, which is really cool. So this really just gives integrators the flexibility to use they can use their preferred networking equipment, right? But we have established a partnership with Netgear. We've been consistently deploying their PoE++ switches in real-world installations, where they've been thoroughly validated for both reliability and performance. And Netgear switches integrate seamlessly with our Dante-enabled PoE loudspeakers, allowing us to deliver a complete end-to-end networked AV solution.
Yeah, that sounds really cool. Like you're having the flexibility of your solutions partnered with the reliability and performance of Netgear AV. I think that's going to be something really cool for integrators to look forward to. I know you covered a lot, but I always like to ask, is there anything that you have in mind that you want to talk about that I have not asked?
That's another great question. There actually is. So there's yet one more thing. I would say yes. So for any integrator working with paging and security solutions, should definitely make time to visit our booth, which by the way is N7132, and learn about AIX, our next generation IP endpoint platform. So AIX features modular architecture, AI expansion pathways, onboard gunshot detection, weapon detection, environmental sensing, and on-viv capability, streamlining audio and visual notifications and intelligence security into a single network drop. AIX will be in our booth at InfoComm 2026, so please be sure to stop by and check it out.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Joey, for giving us everything about what AtlasIED is bringing to InfoComm 2026. And it sounds like there's so much for not only commercial AV integrators to explore, but also security. And we're seeing that convergence of AV and security. So it's always cool to see what AtlasIED is bringing to the table. So once again, thank you for joining me.
Well, thank you so much, Amal, for having me. And we're definitely very excited about it and look forward to seeing everyone at InfoComm 2026. Thank you.
Once again, this is Amna Reddy from Commercial Integrator, and do check out our website, commercialintegrator.com for our InfoComm 2026 spotlight. Thank you.